Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be creating a stunning ink drop effect using CapCut. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this effect will take your videos to the next level. Let's dive right in. Import and organize all ink drop effects seamlessly into your CapCut PC project. Browse the CapCut PC library to find the perfect ink drop clips that match your creative vision. Add a stunning white ink drop effect on a dramatic black background directly to the timeline for a captivating touch. Trim the main video on the timeline to match the duration of the effect clip. Resize the effect clip to perfectly fit the 16:9 aspect ratio of your video. Adjust the effect clip in the preview frame to align perfectly with the subject's face. In the Basic tab, go to Blend and select Multiply mode for a seamless effect. Next, we'll work with a clip featuring a white background and apply an overlay or screen effect for a polished result. Trim the main video and drag the effect clip down to the timeline for seamless integration. In the Basic tab, navigate to Blend and choose Overlay or Screen for the desired effect. Remove the green background from the effect clip using the Chroma Key tool for a clean and seamless integration. Browse the CapCut PC library to discover a suitable video clip for the next effect. Add the green effect clip to the timeline and adjust the video length to match the duration of the clip. In the Remove Background tab, select Chroma Key, then use the Ink Pen tool to erase the green color from the effect clip. To fully remove the green color from the clip, adjust the intensity parameter to 70%. In the Basic tab, adjust the scale of the effect clip to 130% for a better fit. Once the ink drop effect is complete, go ahead and export the video to finalize your project. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create the ink drop effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.